good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope you are doing the practicals. सगळे
Yes, ma'am.
ना प्रॅक्टिकल सेकंड जी सेशन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकल करून त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट किंवा पीडीएफ सेंड करायचा आहे राईट. So in the last, I think in the last lecture we have discussed about these how to prepare the table, what are the sections, subsections, right? Now let me show you to some another things. That means what we can do in this is see in this folder of NBN workshop. You can see the things here: BE project, Beamer presentation, partial differential equation book, film exam, presentation program, research paper, Solapur University, seed money project. Okay, let me go for the first one, BE synopsis. Okay, so in that you can see if I open this one. Okay, now let me try to run. If it give you result, it is good. Otherwise, it will be not problem. Okay, the process executed normally. Now let us see what is the output. Okay, you can see this window.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you can prepare this certificate also in this. You can insert the image like this PCE, Palani College of Engineering. Okay, and here you can insert that how many students name. You can insert the name of student. You can prepare the certificate. Okay, here you can have a synopsis for the approval of BE. That means जो भी हम लोग project वगैरह करते हैं, right? These are declarations. Uh, these are what the contents. Okay, so you can prepare your own book also with the help of your latex, in which here it is what a index. Okay, page number is also given to us. Now if I go to this one, okay, so directly it will take it to, but it is not possible in the word file, right? You can see here we are at the page number 19. Okay, जहाँ पे हमने contents पे क्लिक किया था वो डायरेक्टली हमको उसी नंबर पे लेके जाता है, right? Suppose I click on this introduction, so it will take us to the page of introduction. Okay, now how this works, for that we have to introduce some symbols or sorry, some syntax. So here you can see use package hyperreference. That means this hyperreference you can see here दिसतंय का है use package hyperref.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a package used for the reference. Okay, reference means what? You can see here. This is what a green in that number 3 is written. So if I click here, so it will take us to that number 3 where it available. Okay, just like in our book. आप book भी जब read करते हो वहाँ पे एक reference दिया होता है ना. So example or from this theorem we prove the result. Okay, so in the very similar way here also it is given. So if it is any reference, so directly it will take it to that page number. Okay, suppose if I click on this unit 4 application, so it directly takes us to the application. This is possible only with the help of use package hyperreference. Okay, these are geometry use. If somewhere they have used a geometry, so it is available. Okay, you can see here now hash include two certificates. Okay, which means we can include the certificate or we can have a format like a certificate. Okay, on the next page, that is on the new page, you can see here the name is given, the new page. Started with the that book, okay, in which chapter is given. Okay, you can include the chapter, add contents, line, document, chapter, abstract. Okay, पहले जो first page पे है ना वो abstract है, right? You can see here in the PDF. Okay, after this they have some abstract, and after that it starts with the contents. Okay, so table of content यहाँ पे है, right? New page पे आप you can understand this. First पे क्या था हमारे यहाँ पे, first में certificates है, certificates के बाद directly we are coming to the declaration and all and content. So you can see here on the new page we are in the table of content. So this is what the content. If you have any doubt in between, you can ask me. Okay, so this table of content will take us to this point. And if you're not getting, so directly you can click here. On the PDF, you have to click, right click, and then you can say go to the source. So it will come it to go to the source, yet means table of content. Okay, let me show you once again. If I right click, and you can say go to the source. Okay, so it for some time it will be in the some different color, yellow color. So it come back to your syntax. जहाँ पे आपने जो syntax लिखा है उस output का वो आपको वहीं पे लेके जाएगा. Okay, so in the new page we have started with the abstract. Okay, so this is what a table of content. No need to include all this. आप सिर्फ एक hyper reference होगे तो टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट में ये चीजें आपकी सिंटैक्स में दिख रही है कि आपको टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट के नीचे. Hello?
No, ma'am.
So it is automatic generated whenever you are going to start the contents. Okay, you can see here add content line. Okay, so what it will do, it will add a abstract here. Firstly, list of figure, list of tables will be there. So you can see here list of figure, then add content, list of table. This like I say add contents, add content. So it directly goes to the list of figure. Okay, so after that introduction is there. So no need to do like this. आप जैसे आपके वर्ड फाइल में करते हो वन टाइप करके उसके आगे इंट्रोडक्शन फिर उसका पेज नंबर. No need to do that. Simply what you have to do, simply you have to add content line. Okay, no need to give the numbering also. Getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here hash sorry, include introduction. So here we have in the introduction, right? Next references, bibliography. Okay, so end document. So in this way, we can create your. Okay. Understood how to prepare the index? Simply you have to use this use package hyperreference. Let us go for one more file. There are so many files available with me. I have attended that session. So here are what the chapters. Actually ये chapters यहाँ पे include नहीं है, right? आपने देखा होगा कि आपका जो syntax, this is only this much. Okay. How many lines are there? You can count. It is very small syntax, but what we are getting 23 pages of output. How is it possible? You can see here hash bibliography, hash renew command, hash bibliography. ये bibliography आपका already किसी फाइल में है. So आप slash bibliography करोगे तो वो directly उस फाइल में से content लेके आपको PDF generate करेगा. Just like your whatever you are searching on a Google. आप गूगल पे या विकिपीडिया पे कोई सर्च करते हो, राइट? इफ यू स्टार्ट सर्चिंग ऑन अ विकिपीडिया समथिंग, सो व्हाट यू डू, सपोज यू आर टाइपिंग एज अ ग्रुप. ओके, so somewhere in the definition of group you can see blue word. आप अगर उस blue word को क्लिक करते हो तो आपको उसकी डेफिनेशन और उसके जो भी रिलेटेड पॉइंट्स है वहां पे आप जाते हो, राइट? गेटिंग मी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you are using this Wikipedia or Google, if you are having that link or if that word is in the blue color, So this is like a link, and directly if you are clicking on that, you are going to the that page of Google. Right. So here introduction, chapter, and all these links are provided, and directly it will come there. So let me show you where are these files. So you can see here the certificate, approval, declaration, abstract, chapter, introduction. Say next chapter is a literature survey, proposed system, applications. दिसतंय का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the things they have simply provided a link. After providing a link, it will take it from that जो भी syntax आपका होगा वहां से लेके वो generate करेगा PDF. Okay, you can see here this 90 chapter 1 introduction. Here also there are the things. Okay, include. What do you mean by this? Slash include 90 chapter introduction slash include 92 chapter 2 in literature survey. So slash include means what? It is giving a command that you have to take that chapter 1 from that particular file. Okay, what is the name of that file? 90 chapter 1 introduction. So directly it will go to that syntax and it will copy paste it. Okay. Let us go for something different one. Okay, now let me show you some programs which we have run. Okay, let us go for exam. So here we have a text file of exam. Okay, let me run this. So after running, let us see what is the result. Okay, you can see the paper format. Okay, now this paper format, अगर आप paper का भी word file में type करना चाहोगे तो it is somewhat difficult to type this one. Okay, it doesn't mean that word file is very bad and all. It is good for typing directly. Okay, जहाँ पे कुछ symbol नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, वहाँ पे type करना बहुत easy है. Like we are having the exams of typing na 30-40 ka speed. So that is okay if you are typing any theory part, if you are typing any literature, so it is okay for the word file. But here if you want to type any question paper, so this is a format already given. You no need to do anything. आपको numbering भी देने की जरूरत नहीं है. Simply you are going to type the questions, it will give you automatic number. Okay, now whenever you're going to type a question paper, so here this 14 whatever the marks are there, so these are giving some problems to create this one. Okay, just like in front of this 9 marks is given, in front of this 9 marks is given. So these 9 are coming in a serial way, but if you're typing in a word file, you have to do many adjustment for this. Getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see the paper is looking very nice. There is no any mistake, nothing is there. There is no any here and there of symbols. Spacing is also same. The marking system, sections, numbers. Here also after 5 A, B, C are in a same line. असं B इथे गेला नाही ना, C पुढे आलाय, D मागे गेला. So it is simply having a very nice presentation. Okay, even page number is also given automatically if you insert any command. So you can see here page 1 of 3. Okay, and you can have some another one. Please go to the next page. Able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what you can create a paper also. Let us go for one more thing. Let me show you some presentations. Okay, let us run this. Actually, this is what a Beamer presentation, which is alternative for your PPT. आप जब भी PPT बनाते हो तो बहुत डिफिकल्टी होता है. I hope you have done it somewhere. PPT किसी ने तैयार किया है using
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is very difficult if you want to type any of the mathematical equation. If you want to run it, suppose you are doing it on Windows 7, and if you want to run it in somewhere else, so it is difficult to run. Okay, so as I am running, I don't have this package, so it is asking me to install. Are you able to see this window? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here it actually one of this so what he is asking you have to install it. Okay, as it is running, so you can see that it is not in the blue color, it is in black and white. So after running, it will generate a PDF. We have to wait since we are not having that use package. Now you can see here there are so many use package: document class, compress, blue. Actually, I also not so much familiar with this. This blue means what? Maybe the color of that PPT is in the blue. So simply you have to type Beamer. Okay, Beamer. It means whatever the आप जो भी आपका टेक्स्ट फाइल कर रहे हो, सपोज आपने एक क्वेश्चन पेपर टाइप किया है या आपने एक प्रोजेक्ट किया है. ओके, प्रोजेक्ट अगर आप कर रहे हो तो इसमें बहुत सारे theory part होगा. No, so it is not easy or it is not looking good if you want to present it. For presentation, what we need is compact format. Okay, बहुत suppose आपका प्रोजेक्ट है 40 pages का, and if you want to present it somewhere in front of examiner, so that is not okay to do it on Word file or PDF of 40 pages. No need to show them all the 40 pages. Whatever you want to show them, जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके प्रोजेक्ट में, सिंपली आपका जो टेक्स्ट फाइल है उसको ही आपको क्या करना है, कॉपी पेस्ट करके और एक टेक्स्ट फाइल बनाओ सेम इसका, और उसमें नया कमांड डाल दो. व्हाट इज अ न्यू कमांड? बीमर. Okay, so it will give you the PPT, and whatever you want to include, or if you want to reduce, you can include or reduce, and it will generate a PPT. As it is time consuming, you can see here there are so many use package, use theme. That means there are so many themes in PPT that theme is given, graphics is used, color is also used, latex symbol, maths. Okay, these packages are used: AMS font, AMS symbol, color. There are so many use packages are used here, so that we can have the presentations. So you can have this new theorem. Actually, theorem जब भी हम लिखते हैं तो उसको bold में लिखते हैं. So यहाँ पे no need to do that. Simply you have to add these commands for the theorems and lemmas. So here, after doing this, you can have this. Let us see whether it will run or not. It is not possible to run now. Let us run it once again. Okay, so it is asking to install the package. We'll click it should install that package. Okay, something is called, that is use package AMS font, maths STFI not found. Okay, actually this error occurs whenever you're not having these packages. Okay, so let us go for something different one. Actually, to overcome this error, I have to go to that files. Okay, as I shown you that there are so many files are generated when you are going to run the any type of a text file. Now let me remove this. What will happen if I am removing this? This still creates the same problem. Let us remove. So we can have the many more files which we can run here. Let me show you one of the research paper, how it looks and how it is created. I don't know whether it will run or not because some of the packages are not available in my one. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो document class 2 side, that means the आपके एक ही PDF के वो 2 side कर देगा. Okay, I hope you have seen this type of a PDF. So new theorem, these are what the keywords subject class. So you can do the research paper also in this. Now you can have the book also. Okay, actually we have to run the first one so that it will appear. Okay, now you can see the book. Okay, let us go for the syntax. What is there in the syntax? Document class 10 pt, which means the font size is 10. I don't know what is written, and here this book include that जो भी आपका presentation होगा या PDF वो book के format में आएगा, right? These are what maths packages used. Packages to allow the graphics, and here it is packages which allows the color. Okay. So these are the things given to us that theorem कैसे introduce करना है. Okay, let us go for this PDF. Okay, what is the name of a book? An introductory course in partial differential equation. What are the authors? Dr. S.T. Kendre, Dr. B.V. Kharar. So you can have the contents. Now you can see here, if I click on this differentiation, it will take it to the wherever it is, that chapter is available. Okay. So actually this book is not actually completed. You can see in the book also that somewhere in the heading it is there which we are studying. Okay, chapter 3 है तो इसके ऊपर आपको chapter 3 ऐसे दिखेगा. Actually this book is not completed. You can see here the author in the bold BF is /BF means bold font. Okay, this double slash means it will go to the next line. Okay, date, the date is also specified. Okay, slash include chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. That slash include means वो जो आपका टेक्स्ट फाइल चैप्टर 1 का जहाँ पे होगा वो वहां से रन करके आपको जनरेट करेगा. Okay, getting me whatever I am whatever I am showing you, whatever I want to explain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, now let me show you that PPT, how to generate the PPT. You can simply go to the wizards and you can have quick beamer presentation. अगर आप लेटेक्स फर्स्ट टाइम भी स्टडी कर रहे हो तो आपको डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा क्विक बीमर प्रेजेंटेशन. नो नीड टू रिमेम्बर ऑल द सिंटेक्स ऑफ अ बीमर प्रेजेंटेशन. आप अगर क्विक बीमर पे क्लिक करते हो तो वो आपको चॉइस देगा. ओके. So default one, you can choose default one. You can choose anything else. Suppose I am going to choose this one. So it will look like this. There are so many themes are available. Just like in the PPT. PPT में बहुत सारे themes available होते हैं ना. उतने ज़्यादा नहीं है यहाँ पे. But it is available in some amount. If I take something different, so it shows this type of a PPT. So you can select any of the theme. Okay, if I select this one, mostly people are selecting this one. Next, if I click on OK, तो directly वो अपने आप ही new file generate करेगा. You can see here practical session UMM, practical and then PR and then untitled. जो हमने अभी OK click किया वो directly अपने आप generate करता है, right? Now let me run this so you can see the PPT. Okay, the PPT you can see now. Today's date is already given. There is a command for having the today's date. Let me show you what is a command for having the क्योंकि आप जब प्रेजेंटेशन बनाओगे तब आपका डेट कोई डिफरेंट होगा. और सपोज आप ट्रैवल करके कहीं दूसरी जगह जा रहे हो कोई पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए, एट दैट टाइम देयर विल बी सम टाइम डिफरेंट डेट. पता नहीं कि आपको लैपटॉप या पीसी अवेलेबल होगा या नहीं. सो डायरेक्टली there is a command whatever you can see here. First one will start with the document class. Simply you have to type a beamer, input text and then font size and the theme which we have used Warsaw. अगर हम कोई दूसरा theme use कर सकते हैं तो वो भी use कर सकते हैं. Let me now have a name of author. Let me have let me give some title for this. You can give a title as kitchen practical session number. I think it is third or fourth, I think. The subtitle also you can give. Before that, let me first run this. As I told you, whenever you're going to run the text file, it will give you some output. So आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपका mistake कहाँ पे है, right? So you can see now heading is practical session. The author is. Now you can have a subtitle for this. You can give as a MSc first year. And the logo also you can include. For including logo, you have to include one image. Okay, I have shown you how to insert the image. We can have the name of an institute also. Now यहाँ पे आपको क्वेश्चन मार्क होगा कि ये परसेंटेज क्यों है. अगर हम किसी भी सिंटेक्स के पीछे या किसी भी कमांड के पीछे अगर परसेंटेज लगा दोगे तो वो कमांड क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको डिसेबल हो जाएगा. So it will be disabled and it will be not accepted by your text file. Okay, that's why I'm removing this percentage. So now it will be institute. Now I can write the name of an institute. We can write this as Punyashlo Ahilya Devi Holkar, Solapur University. Okay, now we can have the date also. no need to give date because already command of date is available. We can give the subject for this is we can have the practical for a Beamer presentation. Right. Now let us run this where what will happen after running. We'll check. You can see now heading is there. This is heading, subheading, author, name of the institute and the date. Okay, now if you want to do some another one, here you can give a frame title. You can now write here, suppose I want to have let me write it as demo. So it will take us to the next page of a presentation. Okay, so you can see now the next page is demo. दिसतंय सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
So simply what you have to do, जो भी आपका टेक्स्ट फाइल है उसमें से बिगिन फ्रेम एंड फ्रेम ऐड करो तो वो आपका फ्रेम के फॉर्मेट रहेगा. लेट मी हैव सम अनदर वन. इफ आई टाइप इट एज नेक्स्ट वन एज बिगिन फ्रेम. आपको टाइप करने की भी ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है, फिर डायरेक्टली आप बिगिन टाइप करोगे तो आपको जो चाहिए वो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल होगा. So what we need is actually begin frame, content, whatever you want to have a content. Suppose we are saying that latex practical exam of MSc 1 is on what we can like 24 of May 2020. If I run this demo के बाद नया पेज आएगा. In the next page we will go for the this sentence. You can see here now TEDx practical exam of MSc 1 is on 24 May. You can see here now Uzma that is name of author is given here and whatever the heading is there. Are you getting whatever there is in the how to create the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can give the numbering also for these pages. So what you have to do, simply go to the wizards. You can start quick beamer, quick start, quick later. Quick later अगर क्लिक करोगे तो लास्ट टाइम मैंने दिखाया था कि लेटर क्रिएट होगा. Quick tabbing, quick array. Okay, let us go for quick array. So it will create an array. So let us have this number of columns as say 3, number of rows, and then we will have okay. So it has created an array. What I can do is we have to we have to say something here. Say this is what roll numbers. And let us have this say as name. That we can write it as roll number say 1, roll is 2. Say the name is say UM. If I run, it will give you the syntax of array. But actually हमने array का use package use नहीं किया है. So that's why it will create a error. Okay, you can see here missing inserted. So that means we have to insert the this symbol of sorry, dollars, so that actually it is in the part of mathematics, so it will need a symbol of a dollar. Let us check whether it will run or not. Okay, so actually process exited normally. Now we can go for the page. You can see now array. This is what okay, actually this 2021 is coming next. You can add this double slash and we can go for the next page. Now it is okay. Roll number, name. This is what a array. So it is created directly. You have to simply go here. You can have the another one, math assistant. Okay, there is some problem to install. So एक्चुअली कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है, मेरा भी टेक्स्ट स्टूडियो अच्छे से रन नहीं होता है. लेट अस गो फॉर द थेसिस. तो अगर आप थेसिस पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको ये सभी जो भी आपको कमांड यूज करना है वो डायरेक्टली वो अपने आप ही देगा. नो नीड टू इंक्लूड दैट कमांड्स. एक्चुअली हमने यहाँ पे कुछ नाम नहीं दिया है, so that's why it is taken directly. So you can now give the name of author, you can give the title, you can give the type, name of institution, name, date, subtitle. So you can give all this so that it will create the thesis. Okay. Go through the syllabus of this latest, start doing the practicals. I have given you the notes also. Even I come to know that if you are going to appear for the exam, आप questions के जो भी answers है वो कैसे save करोगे? Have you seen that video that I shared you on the group? Group पर share केलेला video बघितलात का? File कुठे save होता?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to, you no need to search that file. Directly you can go there and you can send us to that mail. Okay, and it is instructed you to write the name of your name, roll number, email ID in every question. जब भी आप किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिख रहे हो या किसी क्वेश्चन के अगर आप टेक्स्ट फाइल बना रहे हो तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू इंक्लूड योर नेम एंड ऑल. Okay, just like here I have written the name of myself and School of Computational Science like this. So जो भी आप questions लिख रहे हो, actually we are going to provide you 6 questions. So out of this 6 question you have to solve the 4 1. Each question carried 10 marks. Okay, read all the instruction whatever given by Tenge ma'am. One PDF is shared to you where when will be exam and whatever the instructions are there, read the instruction carefully. In every question you have to write your name, roll number and email ID. Okay, and then totally after writing all the 4 questions, you have to send that PDF and text file screenshot, whatever you feel easy. You have to send it to the mail ID mathsphsus@gmail.com. Okay, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No need to worry about that. The exam will be easy. Actually, first paper is of 20 questions. Each question will carry 2 marks, and totally it will have the 40 marks. So totally you have to appear for the MCQ questions in that, and next will be you have to run the program. और अगर आपका program run भी नहीं हो रहा है तो आपको क्या करना है, जो भी आपने सिंटेक्स क्रिएट किया है टेक्स्ट फाइल, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट निकालो, मोबाइल में सेव करो. मोबाइल में जब भी आप स्क्रीनशॉट निकालो, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट का कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर नेम दे दो. जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अगर आपने सॉल्व किया है तो उस टेक्स्ट फाइल को क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऐसे नेम दे दो. ओके, so that it will be easy for you as well as easy for us that which question you have solved. And for the 4 questions you have to send us 4 screenshot of text file and 4 PDF. अगर PDF generate नहीं हो रहा है तो आप simply text file का screenshot send कर सकते हो. Okay, and you know where the files are stored. Okay, whenever you're going to phone files में जाके आप फोन में चेक करो, वहाँ पे एंड्रॉइड में आपको मैंने जो दिखाया था फाइल्स वगैरह होते, वहाँ पे जो भी आपने नाम सेव किया है, से सपोज इफ यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, so PDF of question number 2 and text file is also available. You can send this to mail, or if it is not possible, आपने अगर पहला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है तो उसका टेक्स्ट फाइल का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो और उस स्क्रीनशॉट को क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के नाम से सेव करो एंड सेंड इट डायरेक्टली. ओके, आहेत का जागे सगळे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, एनी डाउट? इफ यू कैन आस्क.
मॅम ते विझार्ड वगैरे मोबाईल मध्ये कुठे दिसतं?
Yes, ma'am. ते मोबाईल मध्ये दिसत नाही.
काय दिसत नाही?
विझार्ड वगैरे ऑप्शन्स ते
Wizards,
म्हणजे
ma'am.
जसं लॅपटॉप मध्ये वगैरे दिसतं तसं मोबाईल मध्ये दिसत नाही ना.
विझार्ड म्हणजे काय काय म्हणताय तुम्ही?
एक क्विक लेटर, क्विक टेबल बनवू शकतात ना मॅडम,
हा,
आपण त्याचा यूज करून.
ते तर मोबाईल मध्ये नसणार आहे, गॅरंटेड है. यू हैव टू यूज आइदर पीसी और लैपटॉप, क्योंकि मोबाइल का जितना उसका कंजम्पशन है या उसका जितना वो कर सकते उतना ही किया है उन्होंने, क्योंकि एक्चुअली हमको भी पता नहीं था कि ये मोबाइल में अवेलेबल है. सो हियर आपको अगर आपको ये विजार्ड्स वगैरह चाहिए तो आप डायरेक्टली गूगल कर सकते हो. ओके, सपोज इफ यू गूगल इट एज PPT in syntax for the PPT in the latex, syntax for the beamer file in the latex, or syntax for the table in the latex. I shown you many times how to search it on the Google. वहां से आप डायरेक्टली कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, what you do, you have to search it on the Google. आज ही आप सर्च करके रख दो. ओके, गूगल पे क्या सर्च करोगे आप? syntax for the table. Okay, you will have the syntax for the table. Okay, how to generate the table and all that syntax you have to write it on your notebook और लिख के रख दो. जब आपको एग्जाम होगा तभी वो syntax जो आपने लिख के रखा है वही टाइप करके सेंड कर दो. Those who are having the laptops and PC facility, it is good for them, बिकॉज जो भी लैपटॉप और पीसी दोनों में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है ना. पीसी यूज करना या फिर मोबाइल यूज करना, मोबाइल में फंक्शंस थोड़े कम है. नो डाउट हमारी लाइफ अभी मोबाइल पे ही डिपेंडेंट है ज्यादा, इसलिए उन्होंने मोबाइल में भी एक ऐप डेवलप किया है. सो इट इज नॉट completely depending on that. You have to use a Google itself if you're not having the laptop or PC available with you. Okay. What you do today, you have to go through every syntax. Suppose if you want to type any partial differential equation, syntax for partial differential equation in LaTeX. Okay, let me show you so that it will be easy for you. I hope you have searched many times that how to run this any LaTeX program. Suppose here, if I want to okay, so here if I am running, is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So sir, suppose if I want to have no need to add a syntax also. Table in LaTeX. Okay, table in LaTeX, it give you how to write the table in the LaTeX. Okay, so you can just copy paste here, begin center, end center, table. Directly you can have the output as cell 1 because यहाँ पे उन्होंने cell 1 cell 2 लिखा है. अगर आप 1 2 3 लिखोगे तो 1 2 3 आएगा. हाँ, करस्पॉन्डिंग चेंजेस आपको करने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि जो एज इट इज है गूगल पे अवेलेबल वो नहीं यूज कर सकते आप. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको कंटेंट्स चेंज करने पड़ेंगे. सपोज आपको कंटेंट में अगर रोल नंबर्स लिखना है तो 1 2 3 4 ऐसे, या फिर निगेटिव नंबर्स भी लिख सकते हो -2 -1. गेटिंग मी?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, suppose if you want to have a beamer, okay, beamer in the LaTeX. Okay, how to type any beamer file. So it will show you what are the syntax for the beamer. So you can have this document class beamer. ये आप लिख के रख दो, बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है लिखना. 10-15 लाइन है हर एक. कोई भी अगर आप देते हो क्वेश्चन तो आपको सिर्फ 10-15 लाइन ही लगेंगे. सो ये सभी चीजें आप लिख के रख दो, सो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू जनरेट. और रादर आप इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करके आपके मोबाइल में रन करके देखो. अगर वो रन होता है तो आपको एग्जाम के लिए भी इजी हो जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट द बीमर फाइल जनरेटेड. Let me have something different. Suppose I have to write a matrix in LaTeX. So how to write a matrix in LaTeX? Directly it will show you the syntax. Now here there are some different fine. So you can copy paste this begin matrix, end matrix. उसका output क्या होगा? Simply this one. So you can have parenthesis और स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट भी हो सकते हैं, कर्ली ब्रैकेट. अगर डिटर्मिनेंट चाहिए तो आपको वी मैट्रिक्स, वी इज फॉर वर्टिकल. ओके, अगर आप कैपिटल वी टाइप करोगे तो डबल लाइंस आएंगे. ओके, यू कैन सिंपली कॉपी पेस्ट. सभी कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करना है. जहाँ पे आपको जो चाहिए, सपोज अगर आपको ये वाला चाहिए तो आप बिगिन वी मैट्रिक्स से एंड वी मैट्रिक्स तक का कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे. और यहाँ पे आपको अगर ये सारे जो कंटेंट्स है वो चेंज करना है तो चेंज कर सकते हो. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
actually whenever we designed this, it was not a time of a corona, so we were not thinking that we have to use it on mobile, because in the practical session we can take you people to our lab. We are having a lab now on the first floor. I don't know how many of you seen this. Okay, हमारे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे मैथ्स का एक लैब है. वहाँ पे नियर अबाउट 50 पीसी है अवेलेबल और वहाँ पे लेटेक्स ऑलरेडी है. सो हमने ऐसा सोचा था कि सभी चीजें हम आपको पीसी पे जो यूनिवर्सिटी में अवेलेबल है वहाँ पे सिखाएंगे. और एग्जाम भी वहीं पे कंडक्ट होगा. सो ड्यू टू कोरोना इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. So we have to cope up with some different things. Yes, if you have a doubt, you can ask. What I told you now, you have to do that. Okay, जो भी आपको प्रोग्राम अगर लगता है कि हाँ ये रन करना चाहिए, डायरेक्टली गूगल करो, वो प्रोग्राम लिख के रख दो, वो यूजफुल होगा आपके लिए.
Ma'am, if in exam graphics will be asked, then if not generated file of that picture, then can we send
You
only the
have to just
syntax?
simply टेक्स्ट फाइल जो आप लिखते हो उसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट सेंड करोगे तो भी सफिशिएंट है.
Okay, ma'am.
एक्चुअली ऋतुजा, व्हाट यू टोल्ड, आपने ट्राई किया है क्या इमेज के लिए?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सो आई विल
पण होत नाहीये ते.
प्रोसीजर व्हाट टू डू इफ यू वांट टू रन द प्रोग्राम ऑन द मोबाइल. जो भी आप इमेज आपके फाइल में इंसर्ट करना चाहते हो या टेक्स्ट फाइल में, सो उस इमेज को आपको वहां पे सेव करना पड़ेगा. कहाँ पे? जो मैंने आपको व्हाट्सएप पे एक वीडियो सेंड किया है. आपके टेक्स्ट फाइल कहाँ पे स्टोर होते हैं, राइट? डू यू रिमेम्बर दैट?
Yes, ma'am. I haven't seen that. I will see.
Why you haven't seen? ओके, सगळ्यांनी बघा ते व्हिडिओ तुमच्यासाठी आहे. कारण की तुम्ही जेव्हा क्वेश्चन्स रन करणार आहे, एक क्वेश्चन रन करून लगेच तुम्ही मेल नाही करणार ना. सगळे क्वेश्चन्सचे तुम्हाला पीडीएफ सेव्ह करावा लागेल. कुठे सेव्ह होणार ते तुम्हाला पण दिसणार नाही कुठे सेव्ह झाले. तुम्ही तुमच्या मोबाईल मध्ये शोधत बसणार आहे. ओके, ते व्हिडिओ पहा जे व्हॉट्सअपवर दिलेत मी तुम्हाला. तुमचे टेक्स्ट फाइल आणि पीडीएफ कुठे सेव्ह होतात ऑटोमॅटिकली ते तुम्हाला बघावं लागेल. ओके, इन द your files, you in the phone memory, in Android also we have 4 files where we have a file of a verb text. जो ऐप का नाम है उसी का एक फाइल होगा, उसके अंदर आपके फाइल जनरेट होंगे. सो आपको वो इमेज जो आप रन करना चाहते हो उस इमेज को आपके उस पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर में सेव करना होगा जब वो आपका प्रोग्राम रन होगा. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, please see that video. I haven't put it for Joe. You have to see that video. I've shown from the starting that where your files are saved.
Okay.
Yes, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if not, you can leave the meeting.
मॅम नुसतं स्क्रीनशॉट काढून ठेवलं आणि तुम्हाला सेंड केलं तर चालेल का एक्झामच्या वेळेस?
Screenshot?
नुसतं ते सेंटेक्सचे स्क्रीनशॉट तेवढे काढलेले तुम्हाला सेंड केले तर चालतील?
PDF पण जनरेट होतोच की ऑटोमॅटिकली.
म्हणजे त्यात काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम आला तर
जनरेट नाही झाला तर त्या केसमध्ये टेक्स्ट फाइल सेंड करावं लागेल. अदरवाइज तुम्ही इन्स्ट्रक्शन वाचलेत का काल मॅडमनी जे शेअर केलं होतं पीडीएफ?
हा वाचलेत मॅम, पण
जे काही आम्ही शेअर करतो ते तुमच्यासाठी असतंय. ते इन्स्ट्रक्शन वाचा, तिथे तुम्हाला टेक्स्ट फाइल आणि पीडीएफ दोन्ही सेंड करावं लागेल. इन केस इफ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल देन इट इज ओके इफ यू सेंड द टेक्स्ट फाइल.
ओके मॅम.
मॅम तुम्ही ते सांगितलेलं कधीपर्यंत सेंड करायचं?
इन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे, वाचलेत का इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स?
येस.